The verse of the day says, "He restores your broken places will blossom." There is a sacred promise woven through the storms you've endured. God is a restorer. Not just a healer, but a restorer of what was lost, broken, or stolen. Joel 2:25 declares, "I will restore to you the years that the swarming locust has eaten." That means no loss is final. No wound is permanent. What was taken will be given back, multiplied and redeemed. You might be carrying scars that remind you of pain, regret, or failure. But listen, those scars are the canvas for God's restoration. Psalm 51:12 says, "Restore to me the joy of your salvation, and grant me a willing spirit to sustain me." Restoration is not just about returning to where you were, it's about rising to a place better than before. God doesn't restore to the old normal. He restores to a new glory, a new joy, a new peace. Even the broken walls will be rebuilt, Nehemiah 2:17. Even shattered dreams will be reborn in His hands. You will walk forward with a new song, a fresh testimony, and a heart filled with hope. This is your prophecy. Your restoration is underway. Every tear will be wiped away. Revelation 21:4. Every loss will be replaced with overflowing blessing. Your life will bloom again stronger, brighter, and filled with divine purpose. So, hold on, keep the faith. The God who began this restoration will complete it. He is the God of new beginnings, and He is restoring you now. If you believe God is restoring your life, comment, "Restoration is mine," and follow for more powerful encouragement. Share this message with someone waiting for their breakthrough. Let them know God restores all things.